Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this 1514 Great Western service to Reading. Calling at Reigate, Dorking-Digby, Guildford, Northcamp, Blackwater, Wokenham and Reading. Please make sure to keep all personal belongings with you at all times, and please take care when stepping from the train to the platform. CCTV is in operation aboard this train for your own safety. If you're unfamiliar with this type of train, please take time to read the safety notices found in the vestibule areas. If you notice anyone acting suspicious or any suspicious items, please let a member of train crew know immediately. Next stop will be Reigate.